The idea of the Fine Finish course is we want you guys to actually make some money rather than spending some new money. The Fine Finish course, what is the Fine Finish course all about? The idea of the Fine Finish course is we want you guys to actually make some money rather than spending some new money. So depending on what machine you've got, whether it's compressor, HVLP, XVLP, the idea of what we've been designing and delivering is a course that is geared around you getting the most out of your machines. So we are looking for the pros and cons of the machines.
Yeah, so we'll be looking at and using the HVLP, and we'll be talking about the pros and cons of the HVLP,
yep.
Why would you get one? And we're going to be looking at and using the conventional system running off the compressor, and we're going to be looking at the sort of advantages and disadvantages of that, and why would you go down that road, and what's good about it. Okay.
Myself, I'm quite conversant with the HVLP systems. Jack's been running now compressors for how many years?
It's the better part of 40 years. Started off, as I say, a long story, a long time ago back in Germany, when that's all there was. Very few people knew about other systems. That's all it was. It's a tried and tested system that the garages use, that resprays and refinishes use to finish cars. And we are now utilising this in our industry.
For what reason? Why are we using these machines? Simply, Fine Finish.
To produce a better finish.
Yeah.
Best finish.
So that's the whole point of the course, is a fine finish. With the HVLP systems, we're going to be talking about different types of guns. We're going to be talking about, obviously, gravity-fed guns and also suction cup fed guns.
And another type of system is a pressure pot. And what this allows you to do, it allows you to have larger amount of paint, so it's a 2 litre pot, and it gives you more flexibility on the gun because you're not restricted by the pot either being on the top or the bottom.
So we're going to be utilising these guns, and these are crossover guns. They are LVLP and HVLP, and that's because the manufacturers can't decide which one to call. We're going to be using the compressors, and the beauty about the compressor is that we can actually increase or decrease the pressure as we require it for the material that we're spraying.
Jack, what's this?
If you really want to know what this is, you really need to come and spend some time with us and understand what this does and how it works and how it operates.
Cool. Cheers, Jack. One of the things we're going to be talking about is viscosity. Okay? It's really important when you're trying to achieve a fine finish to get those products on the right viscosity.
I've got over 30 years experience spraying, teaching and decorating.
I've been spraying now within the decorating industry for well over 25 years.
I started spraying in 1972. That's over 40 years experience in spraying.
Using our years of experience, we've designed and delivered these courses.
So Pete, where are we running the courses?
We're going to be running it at Preston.
Also in Exeter.
Edenbridge, and our friend that's not here today, Damien, he's going to be running it in West Island.
So if you want to do the Fine Finish course, you really need to come and see us. We've been doing this stuff for years.